it's Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm super excited to share with you a masculine box. You know I don't share masculine boxes a whole lot. I tend to lean a little bit towards the more feminine looking boxes, but I thought it was so time for me to start doing some masculine boxes. So this is for Father's Day, and I mean it could be for a birthday, it could be for anything, but it's super cute. So this is the box that I'm sharing today, and what you're going to need for this one is I'm using the Truly Tailored stamp set. I love this stamp set. I'm using the Today Is Your Day, Celebrate in Style, and the Dad right here. You can definitely use any of them. It would fit this box. This you can also use for a grandparent's day card. It's hoping your birthday is as grand as you, or for a birthday card for a grandparent. And then it also bundles with this. And this is the Tailored Tag Punch. So this comes as a bundle, but you don't have to get it as a bundle. You can get one or the other. But it is super quick and easy when you have the bundle. It makes the stamping and the punching so easy. Alright, so for this I'm using Night of Navy. You're going to need a piece that's 10.5 by 4.5. And then this is for the bottom of the box. And then this piece is 5 9/16 by 3 9/16. Now I know a lot of people get a little bit frustrated with the 16th inches, but here is a tip for you. If you're going to cut this, put it on the 5.5 inch mark, and the next tick over is this next 16th inch. So line it up to 5.5 on the 5.5 inch side, and then just move it over one little tick and then cut. And then the other side is 3 9/16. So just move it to the 3.5, move it to that next little tick, and then you'll have 3 9/16. So that's, I hope that I explained that good enough, because I know it frustrates some people with the 16th inch marks, but you know, it's really easy. So, but it makes a difference on how the top fits. So that's why I always add a 16th inch. You're going to need a couple scrap pieces of Night of Navy. And then to mat it, you are going to need two pieces that are 2 3/4 by 3 1/4. And the Designer Series paper that I'm using is super cute and perfect for masculine cards, masculine boxes. It's True Gentleman Designer Series paper, but look how cute. And I've used this before. You've seen me use these little bow tie here on here, but look at the pipes. Aren't those cute? And then the little eyeglasses. I thought that'd be cute for grandparents, and look how cute these are. I love these, and this makes it so much easier. I struggle with masculine cards, and this paper will make it much easier. So that is the True Gentleman, and we are going to use this from there also, and this is to punch the bow out. So I think that's it. You will need some of the Very Vanilla cardstock also, and this is what I'm going to stamp on. I was deciding which one to use, and I stamped the Looking Sharp. I thought that was super cute too, but then I decided to use the other one. Alright, so let's get started scoring these, and the scoring is pretty quick and easy. Alright, so on this 10.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2 inch. I'm going to do it on this side like I normally do. So you're going to do it at 1/2. You're going to do it at 4, 5.5, and 9. Okay, then we're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 3. Okay, so that's for the bottom. For the top, you are going to just score this piece 1 inch all the way around. So once you get it cut, the rest is so easy peasy. So 1 inch all the way around. I got this new trimmer and it seems like everything sticks to it. It's like not, the surface is real smooth. Okay, so that is it for our scoring. Now for the top, where did my other scissors go? I'm going to use these. You're just going to cut, let's do it this way, up each score mark. And I am cutting a little bit out there. We're going to do the same on this side. Okay, so that is it for the lid. Let's go ahead and sharpen all our score marks here. And we might as well just go ahead and put it together. I'm going to use fast fuse, use tear and tape or your fast fuse, and just put it on all 4 corners. And then just line them up. Oops. It's trying to get away from me there. Okay, so there's our lid right there. And now let's put this box together. And the box goes together really easy. So on this smaller piece right here, you are going to cut up each one of these. And then this little rectangle here, we're cutting off all the way. So it will look like that. So we're going to sharpen these. Either use your tear tape again or your fast fuse. Line these up. It's a very easy, quick box. And then put enough adhesive on here to hold it closed. Make sure your box is square whenever you do a box like this. And then there's the bottom, and this should fit perfectly on here. See, just like that. That 16th inch makes a difference. So you need that on there. So we're going to go ahead and mat this. I'm just going to use some snail to mat it. And then the other side. You don't even have to mat the other side, but it does give it a little bit of a finished look. This is going to be my front side right here, because this part is going back and it looks cleaner. And then what we're going to do with the lid is, this lid is 3 3/4. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark it like at the 2-inch mark, more like the 1 3/4 inch mark. I'm just going to mark, well, maybe not, maybe 2, let's see. Just eyeball where your center is going to be. So it's a little bit past the 1 3/4 inch mark. And what I'm going to do is I'm just cutting up the center here, and I am cutting a V out. And that's going to be the front of the shirt. Just like that. And I did get that off a hair, but maybe I need to make it just a hair. I think that looks better. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to stamp our pieces here, and I'm using Night of Navy. And like I said, I'm going to use the dad. I'm going to do him over here because I'm just going to cut this out by hand. And then this one, this Night of Navy is really a juicy stamp set. Not stamp set, stamp pad. All right, and then we are going to punch this. Center it. And then punch it out. And like I said, the dad, I'm just cutting that out. Because it's pretty easy to cut out. Okay, so we got the dad ready to go. We're going to also punch two more out of the Night of Navy. We're going to punch two more of these. And I'm just backing this piece right here. So I'm going to put some snail on the back here. I'm going to line this up. And then we're going to add the other piece to the bottom. Just like that. So it gives it that little border, which really makes it stand out more. Alright, so let me grab some dimensionals. We are going to use a couple dimensionals on the back. We're going to put that in the front of our box here. And then we're going to use one more dimensional on the dad, and we're going to pop that up right here. And now we're ready to do our bow. So to use our bow punch, we are going to just punch 2 times. These are really easy to put together. So you need to punch twice to make one bow. I'm just going to use some glue dots, and I'm going to grab my bone folder really quick, and we're just going to round this. This makes it easier, and it makes your bow tie stand up. We're not going to use these 2 pieces here. And then we need just one of those. So what we're going to do is just put one on there. These 2 ends go together. You've probably seen me do this before. I've made these bows before. They're really adorable. Makes this so easy. And then we're going to need one on that side. This is to hold them together. And then this little piece, I put one on each end. This way it holds it really good. And then you just wrap this around the center. And then you got your bow tie. Isn't that so cute? It's really cute. So now I need a couple more glue dots. In fact, I'm going to use probably 3 because I want this to stay on there. Okay, and then we're going to put it right in the center above his little collar there. I usually puff this back up. So there you have it. Is that not adorable? I just love, I mean, I'm so happy I finally did a masculine box that I'm really pleased with. It's really hard for me to do them, but I thought this one turned out really cute, and I hope you enjoyed it too. All right, everyone, if you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. And on my last video, I think I mentioned that my posting times for my videos are going to be changing. I'm going to do them Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday instead of Sunday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I'm going to do a live here and there, and then also go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can know when I upload, because I'll probably be throwing a video in here and there, because you know I am a full-time demonstrator now and I am retired from my full-time job, so this is what I'm doing full-time now. So I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Have a blessed day, and I will catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.